This is a corrosion stain on polished marble. It is whitish, opaque. In this case it is smooth, but sometimes it can be more or less rough. As you can see, it looks very unsightly, especially if observed against the light, as in this shot. Now we want to restore the original polish without necessarily involving the entire surface. In this video I will show you how to remove it in an amazing way, with the help of a simple floor polisher. I will also need some accessories. Diamond abrasive discs, red and green, non-abrasive discs for polishing, and comb supports to fix discs on the brushes of the polisher. These special holders can be inserted into the hard bristle brushes, typical of polishers, and the discs are fixed onto their Velcro backs. Once I have ascertained that the corrosion is smooth, not perceptible to the touch, I leave aside the sanding with the red medium grain discs, and mount the 3 green medium fine grain discs.
Lavoro che si fa in questo caso, essendo una sola macchina da passare, si fa molto rapidamente, in 5 minuti abbiamo concluso.
You also need to add a little water. Now I sand for a couple of minutes until you see a whitish mush. Finally, I proceed to the polishing phase. I mount the non-abrasive discs under the brushes of the polisher, using the comb supports. These white discs are made of non-woven nylon fiber. I sprinkle some marble polishing powder. Then I spray some water on it. I spin the polishing pads for a couple of minutes over the freshly spread powder. A yellow sludge will form. This is a detail that I have not yet highlighted. The polisher's suction mouth must be previously plugged with plastic material, non-woven fabric that lets air pass through but not liquids to prevent them from entering the collection bag.
Vediamo il lavoro, adesso è finito, basta solo pulire. Vediamo cosa abbiamo ottenuto.
I collect the yellow mud with the spatula.
La macchia, credo, io non la vedo, era qui. Io la macchia non la vedo più.
I clean, dry and discover the result. The marble is shiny as good as new.
Ecco, vedete che bello lucido. La macchia non c'è più.
Is it difficult? No, it is neither difficult nor tiring. Just follow the instructions, no specific skills are needed. Anyone can do it.